Your maintenance management software is critically important to your operations, and you've invested a lot in it. But much of the asset data you need to make the system really valuable just isn't there. RFO Central, Dynamisk's powerful cloud-based completion software, provides a streamlined way to capture critical asset data in the field to fill the gaps in your maintenance management software, ensuring seamless data continuity and facilitating greater efficiency in operations and maintenance. Simply by arming your field teams with RFO Central as they complete a turnaround, the data points you need can be captured without any additional time or effort. Checklists can easily be created or customized using Microsoft Word to make certain all required data fields are included, and mobile apps for both Android and iOS devices ensure a completely digital workflow for maximum efficiency. Once the asset data is captured in RFO Central, a load sheet is generated, including field mapping, ready for import into your maintenance management software. It's that easy. If you'd like to see even more ways RFO Central can save you time and money on your next project, contact us for a full demo. RFO Central from Dynamisk. We know completion so well, we wrote the software.